Hindi ako tatakbo ng presidente. Wala akong ambisyon maging presidente. I am sorry to disappoint those who have spent much. If God intends that I be one candidate for somebody, I will be there. The option to run is on the table. Three months to 6 months. Drugs and criminality must stop. I will raise the level sa drug threat into a national security issue.
Yes, I would insist that everybody follows the law, whether you're rich or poor, and whether you're my son or my daughter. We do not make any special concessions for us. Kung nandyan kung wala ng indecisive vote, tangina, sumunod kayong lahat.
My God, I hate drugs.
I'm going to double the salaries of the military and the police. But I would be exacting.
The most outstanding feature of federal setup is that yung resources natin amin. When it is 100 pesos, you get 30, madala mo doon sa federal government, you retain 70. Ganun.
It's an excuse for them to hang on to power, Interior Manila.
You know, you cannot build a country by killing people. So we must be a peaceful nation. Ngayon, marami tayong problema sa Mindanao. Sa mga kapatid kong mga Moro, it will be one nation only. One Filipino nation.
I am Rodrigo Duterte. I am a Filipino and I love my country. It is the land of my birth. It is the home of my people.